Hi students, good evening. Good evening to everyone. Maybe whoever may be viewers and watching videos, like brothers and sisters, like students, like parents. For everyone, I am saying to good evening. Thank you. I am Kiran Kumar Madhavaram or Madhavaram Kiran Kumar. Today I want to share a few points about the trigonometry. And the previous classes we observed, I told you many classes regarding to previous classes. If you observe there, what is the trigonometry I told, and the trigonometry identities I explained, and the complementary angles and reciprocals, how the ratios formed from right angle triangle. The previous I told explain, but I want to give one important topic about this in this trigonometry. That means which is related to height and distances, which is very important for 10th class. Definitely 1 mark question and the 4 mark question is expected. The compulsory 4 marks will come. That compulsory, definitely height and distances, one question is compulsory. So that's what I thought myself. It is very important for which is helping for who are going to writing the board exam, either it is a CBSE, ICSE or SSC, which is very important topic. So I want to tell you before that, if you observe there, trigonometry is the great importance in several fields. If you observe in surveying, astronomy, navigations, and science and technology, everywhere. Nowadays, if you observe there, trigonometry widely, hugely applied in several branches like science and technology, science and engineering. Example, if you see seismology and electrical circuits, we can see the height and distances, like that a lot of very hugely benefits and applying in practical in our life. So that is the importance of the trigonometry. The relationship or related the subject height and distances. First of all, we have to say many thanks to the Hipparchus. The Hipparchus is the Greek mathematician, and he was established the relationship existing between the sides and angles of a triangle. So this credit goes to entire the Greek mathematician who is related, introduced the chapter this, the Hipparchus. It is approximately 140 BC. So that is, we can say that some importance. So comes to the next point. Second point is height and distances. If you observe their height and distances, which is helping to measure the height of the tower, height of the flag mast, and height of the temple, and width of the river, and height of the tree, top of the tower. So like so many benefits. If you observe there, we can see that the lighthouse in the ocean. So these are the very helpful and practical, which is helping the subject for the students, whoever, whatever it may be. But once again, I want to say this about this topic. The mainly, what is use of this height and distances? Suppose how there will be two different angles, which are the angle of elevation, and the second one is angle of depression. By using this, how to find the height of the tower, or it may be height of the building, or top of the building, height of the tree, or width of the river. So like example, if you see that there will be angle of elevation, it is angle of elevation. What is the definition, children? if you observe there, here the angle formed or lies between the or existing between the horizontal line and through the observer's eye. The line or the angle which is between the horizontal line through the observer's eye, the line joining the eye to the any object, that object should be always lower level than the observer's eye. The object should be always higher level than the eye. So okay, the object should be always higher level than the eye. That means if you see like this and if you face towards the up, towards the sky face, if you see top of the building, there is a object on the top of the building, you are standing ground floor. So when you are looking towards the object is always higher level the observer eye. So that is called the angle of elevation. So that's why the angle lies between the observer's eye and horizontal line. Okay, the angle lies between the through the horizontal line and observer's eye. That line joining between the observer's eye to the object, that object should be always higher level than the observer's eye. So that is about the angle of elevation. Did you understand? Okay. Now if you come to the point next, angle of depression. Angle of depression means the same definition but a little bit just here if you observe there. Angle of depression is nothing but the angle between the horizontal line and observer's eye, the line joining to the object, the line joining eye to the object is always lower level than the observer's eye. That means if you stand height of the building or top of the building, height of the tree or height of the flagmast or wherever you are standing, from the up top of the building you are looking into the down to the object. The object should be always lower level than the observer's eye. So that is called the angle of depression. Okay. So these two things if you observe, understand there, then it is very easy to calculate the distance between the observer, the height of the building, wherever the object is there. Okay. So that is angle of elevation, or from the top of the building and observes towards the down, towards the observer, the object should be always lower level than the observer's eye. That is called the, you can say, angle of depression. So these two things you have to remember, children. I hope this may be helpful for you. So try to understand. You can go through the concepts. You can read from trigonometry, basic fundamental concepts which are very, very important. Then afterwards we have to draw the right angle triangle. We must apply that three vertices ABC. At angle B is always right angle triangle and theta is there. Always we have to observe either is tan theta or cot theta or sin theta or cos theta. Majorly in this height and distances we are going to apply tan theta always. Sometimes we can apply sin theta and cos theta. So these things, these concepts may be helping. I hope this is going to reach the students. And thank you. One more thing, you have to see that you have to watch my video and subscribe my video and share to your friends this video. Thank you.